Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can download and install the Zoom Scheduler extension into your Chrome browser. So first open your Chrome browser and here in the search box just type the web store and hit the enter. And now open up the first website which is the Chrome web store. Now here click on the search extension and themes, and here now you can just type here the Zoom Scheduler. So when you type it, hit the enter, and now the first extension will come up which is the Zoom Chrome extension. So just click on that and here click on the add to Chrome and then click on the add extension. Then it will start downloading and installing into your browser. So now when it was downloaded, just click on this extension icon and just pin this extension into your browser. So after you pin it, just click on this extension and then here you can start using it. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Zoom Scheduler extension into your Chrome browser. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe to our channel.